No, no. Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Mercedes-AMG GT 63S Edition 1. Let's check out what makes this limited edition supercar so special, from its aggressive design to its insane performance capabilities. Starting with the front, the GT63S demands attention, and it's the large Pan America grille that sets the tone for power and aggression. The LED headlights are razor sharp, boasting a distinctive AMG signature that adds to the car's intense gaze. Meanwhile, prominent air intakes on the bumper are functional and fierce, feeding the engine and brakes to keep the GT63S Edition 1 performing at its peak. As we zoom out, the GT63S Edition 1's full frontal presence hits hard. Every meticulous crafted detail converges to exude unapologetic power, aggression, and unbridled luxury. The car rides on massive 21-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke forged alloy wheels, shored in high-performance Michelin tires, designed to grip the road and unleash the car's immense power. The bright yellow brake calipers peeking through the spokes add a burst of color and performance flair, perfectly complementing the car's aggressive stance. The V8 badge on the fender serves as a subtle yet potent reminder of the engine's raw power. As we follow the side profile, the sleek lines and swooping roofline create a sense of dynamism even when standing still. As we transition to the rear, you can see the powerful design language and aggressive tone continues to impress. Dominating the rear is the distinctive wing, perfectly angled to provide downforce and stability at high speeds, a true hallmark of a performance machine. The quad exhaust outlets are a bold statement, hinting at the raw power and performance that's unleashed when you put the pedal to the metal. This car is powered by a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 pushing 630 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. The rear diffuser enhances aerodynamics and visual impact, working in harmony with the rear wing for high-speed stability. As we take in the full rear profile, the Edition 1 exudes a sense of athleticism and dynamism, perfectly capturing the essence of a high-performance vehicle. And that's the Mercedes-AMG GT63S Edition 1, a masterclass in performance and luxury. This car signifies what having an AMG is all about: the deep-throated growl, the aggressive demeanor, and bespoke touches. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sick, innit?
That was nice.
Yeah, man. It's like a Batmobile, isn't it?
Oh.